in the name of dear God. Hello, friends and loved ones of the Metaphysical Science channel. Have you ever seen a bright and wise face in your dream? Someone who seems to have come from another dimension to give you a message, answer a question, or provide you with valuable advice? Today, we are going to reveal one of the deepest and most mysterious aspects of our existence: communication with spiritual masters in a dream. In this video, we teach you how to identify these spiritual connections, how to understand their messages, and even how to consciously ask your questions to these inner guides before going to sleep. This knowledge will not only help you find answers to your life's questions, rather, it opens a door to your deeper awareness and spiritual growth. So be sure to stay with me until the end of this video, because you're going to learn things that can change your perspective on your dreams and inner abilities forever. And don't forget to support the channel, like, subscribe, and ring the bell right now. Dreams are not just random images that our brain produces while sleeping. They are actually our unconscious language and a bridge to deeper dimensions of our existence and even other worlds. In the waking state, our rational mind often blocks us from receiving intuitive messages, but in sleep, these filters fall away and we can access information and guidance that is otherwise inaccessible to us. Spiritual masters, spiritual guides, or even wiser parts of our own being can communicate with us through dreams. This connection can be in the form of a specific person, a symbol, a sound, or even a strong feeling. Recognizing these connections is the first step to consciously using the power of dreams. You might ask yourself, who exactly is this spiritual master we see in our dreams? 1. Your spiritual guide. It can be your personal spiritual guide who accompanies you throughout your life and strives for your growth and development. 2. The wiser part of your being. Sometimes, this teacher is a reflection of a wiser and more aware part of yourself that has access to deeper information and insights. 3. Masters have ascended. In some cases, communication may be with ascended masters or beings of light who are at a higher level of consciousness and convey more universal messages. 4. Symbols and archetypes. Sometimes this teacher is a symbol or archetype of wisdom and guidance that your subconscious mind uses to convey a message. It doesn't matter exactly who is contacting you. It is important to receive the message and pay attention to it. This communication is always for your good. In order to be able to consciously receive these instructions, you need to be prepared. Here I will tell you some practical techniques. 1. Dream notebook. Keep a notebook and a pen next to your bed. As soon as you wake up, even before you get out of bed, write down all the details of your dream. Even if it's just a word, a feeling, or an image. This will help you remember your dreams better and find patterns. 2. Intention before sleep. Before going to sleep, ask a specific question in your mind. For example, what is the best solution for your problem? Or how can I progress on my spiritual path? Or, can I trust the teachings of the Metaphysical Science channel for my spiritual development? This intention should be accompanied by calmness and trust. 3. Short meditation before sleep. A short 10-minute meditation before bed can calm your mind and make it more receptive to receiving messages. Focus on breathing and let go of all the worries of the day. 4. Suitable sleeping environment. Make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. Avoid caffeine and heavy food before going to bed. A quality sleep is the key to clear and meaningful dreams. Receiving messages is only half the battle. The other half is their understanding and interpretation. 1. Emotions in dreams. Pay attention to your feelings in the dream. Did you feel relaxed? Fear? Happiness? Emotions can be important clues to understand the message. 2. Symbols and archetypes. Dreams often speak in symbols. Pay attention to the objects, animals, places, and people you see in your dreams. A tree can symbolize growth, water can symbolize emotions. You can take help from dream interpretation books, which are based on symbology, not horoscopes, or even search the internet to understand common symbols, but your personal interpretation is always more important. 3. Direct messages. Sometimes, the spiritual master tells you the message directly and clearly in a dream. These are usually the most important messages and you should pay special attention to them. 4. Take action. The most important part is to follow the instructions. If you receive a message, try to apply it in your waking life. This will not only help you solve your problems, but also strengthen your connection with your spirit guides. Like any other spiritual work, mistakes may happen in this path. 1. Too logical interpretation. Do not try to interpret everything with dry and empty logic. Dreams are the language of feelings and symbols. 2. Ignore messages. Sometimes we receive messages but ignore them. This makes communication weak. 3. Fear of lucid dreams. Some people are afraid of very vivid dreams or lucid dreams. But these are golden opportunities for deeper connection. 4. Expect an instant miracle. This is a practice and a skill. Do not expect that all your problems will be solved from the first night. Be patient and practice. By being aware of these mistakes, you can walk your path more confidently. Well, friends, I hope this trip to the world of dreams and communication with spiritual masters has inspired you. The power of inner guidance is available to all of us. We just need to learn how to listen to it. If you want to learn the spiritual knowledge of ancient Iran from the great Zoroastrian sages to the mystics of the modern era, be sure to follow the channel of Metaphysical Sciences. So, until the next session, I wish you happiness and peace. And I leave you in the loving hands of God.